Hi, I'm Jordan, and today I'm going to teach you the chemistry of ice cream. So, ice cream is a frozen dessert made from dairy products like milk and cream combined with sugar, fruit candies, or other ingredients. Sometimes people even use eggs. And the reason why I chose this is because I love ice cream, favorite thing to eat, big part of my life, eat it every single day. Also involved in track, which is a great thing, otherwise I might be about 300 pounds by now. So, they're nice together. So today I'll be showing you how to make a simple homemade ice cream and then also a little more complex one. So we'll be making two of them today, and if you'd like you can try them out. And that's it. So right now I'm going to show you how to make the simplest kind of ice cream we can, which is right at home using a large coffee can with a gallon-sized Ziploc bag, a quart-sized Ziploc bag, some milk, sugar, vanilla, ice, and some ice cream rock salt. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take the gallon-sized bag and we're going to line our coffee can. Next we're going to place some ice into the bottom of the bag. Alright, and now we're going to sprinkle a little bit of rock salt on the top of that. Next we're going to pour our milk, sugar, and vanilla into a quart-sized bag. Gotta be careful, it's a little tricky with the milk. We have our milk in our bag. Next we're going to put our sugar in. And add a little vanilla extract. Next we're going to try and get all the air out and seal the bag. Then you drop your bag into the ice with the rock salt. Then we're going to pour more ice onto the top and sprinkle the rest of our rock salt in. Then you zip up your gallon-sized bag, making sure all the air is out of the way. And you put on your lid. Now you can either roll it between two people, or you can simply just take your mixture. And you need about 10 minutes for this. Okay. After 10 minutes of rolling it, then you can pop off the lid, open up that Ziploc baggie, and inside, got nice hardened ice cream. And then start scooping it out of the bag. And once you get it all scooped out, you can enjoy. And your final product. Hi guys, so now I'm going to show you a little more complex way of how to make ice cream. Alright, first we're going to beat eggs and sugar together for about 20 minutes. And you don't always have to use eggs when you make ice cream, but they slow down the ice crystallization and they make the ice cream a lot richer. And the sugar mixes with the protein in the eggs, and as it does, the color will change from golden to an off-white and then it would also double in size. When you cook the eggs with the milk, the mixture will protect the eggs from coagulating or curdling and becoming scrambled. Scrambled eggs are good in your breakfast, but not really in your ice cream. And you need to keep your proportions right, because too much cream with your half and half milk equals sandy lumps from lactose crystallization. So after this, you'll take your vanilla and add it to your egg and sugar mix. So now you add your vanilla to your egg and sugar mixture. And now we're coming over to the stove and we're going to put our half and half in, and we're going to turn on this front burner. Start getting this heated up a little bit. Now I'm going to add some of this hot milk mixture into the eggs and sugar along with the vanilla. And then I'm going to add the rest of the mix back into the hot pan and put it on the stove for another 20 minutes. So grab the rest of this, put it all back on here. And now we're going to do this for another 20 minutes here. Heating makes the ice cream richer, thickens it, and destroys any bacteria in the eggs. But remember, don't overheat or the proteins will burn, and then the eggs will scramble. And then, you know this is done when it doesn't drip off the spatula. So then you're going to take your ice cream, put it in ice water with a second bowl inside of it, and then keep stirring the mixture because the heat is in the ice cream. So you do this for about 5 minutes. You'll be stirring this for about 5 minutes, and then the mix is stirred slowly while cooling to incorporate air and prevent large ice crystals from forming. And then the result is a smooth, textured, semi-solid that you can scoop out. I'm next going to put the ice cream in the fridge in a sealed container, it's like a Ziploc baggie, for a couple of hours, and this helps the vanilla flavor to come out. And then after that, I'm going to churn it once it comes back out. And the churning breaks any ice crystals into smaller pieces and prevents your ice cream from being too icy. And then after that, you're going to put it back in the freezer for another couple of hours. And this helps the fat hold the flavor. And your most common flavors, or I guess most popular flavors, are vanilla and chocolate. And your two main ingredients are fructose, which is C6H12O6, and milk does not have a chemical formula. It's an emulsion or colloid of butter fat molecules with a water-based fluid, and the particles are made of phospholipids and proteins. There are too many components in milk really to have a basic chemical formula, but it's a very complex, I guess, mixture. After churning, this is what your little mixture looks like coming out of the fridge. And we're going to now put it back in the freezer for a couple of hours. So as you can see, you can make ice cream right at home instead of always buying it out or at the market. And I hope you have enjoyed learning a little chemistry about ice cream.